Hi everybody, let me show you how to do the basic card on top of the deck trick. You take your Svengali deck and you're going to go through and show them that all the cards are different. Now when you're doing this, you don't want to do it too slowly. You want to sort of flip through at a good pace because you don't want them to be able to get a real good focus on any particular card. And notice that the card they're about to pick actually doesn't show up in the deck because right now you're only 25 or 26 cards. But they're going to say stop, and because of the Svengali deck principle, they're always going to get a Queen of Clubs, in our case, or whatever your force card will be in your case. Okay? And then we put the deck back together, but because of the way the Svengali deck works, there's always a Queen of Clubs on top as well if we're holding the deck like this. So they say stop, there's a Queen of Clubs, okay? Then we can give a little snap like this. And if you want, you can flip through the deck again and show them that the Queen of Clubs is gone. There's actually a Queen of Spades in there, right there, but the Queen of Clubs is gone, and you can show them that it actually did jump to the top of the deck. That's how you make a card jump to the top using a Svengali deck.